Welcome to another session of Sreenath recipes. Please subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to receive regular notifications. Today we are going to make cabbage tomato curry. Let us have a look at the ingredients. Heat 2 tablespoons of oil in a pan and add 1 teaspoon of Jeera or cumin seeds. When it splutters, add 1½ cups of finely chopped onion, 2 slit green chillies and some curry leaves. When the onion turns translucent, add 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste. Saute this for 1 minute and add half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 tablespoon of dry roasted coriander powder, 1 teaspoon of garam masala powder and 1 teaspoon of red chilli powder. Saute this for a few seconds and add 3 finely chopped tomatoes, half a cup of fresh green peas and a little salt. Stir well. Cover it with the lid and cook for 5 minutes. Stir occasionally. When the tomatoes become soft, add 400 grams of finely chopped cabbage and half a cup of cubed capsicum or bell pepper. Stir well. Place the lid and cook for 7 to 8 minutes over medium flame. Stir occasionally. Now add 1 tablespoon of finely chopped coriander leaves. Mix well and turn off the flame. Cabbage tomato curry is ready to serve. This will go nice with chapati or rice. Please do try and post your feedback.